Hi, my name is Irina. I am one of Audi brand specialists at Audi Exchange. In this video we are going to talk about the most common e-tron questions, how to charge the car and how to maintain the car. There are three levels of e-tron chargers. First two levels can be installed at your home for your convenience. Cables come with the car for first level of charger and second charger level. First level takes up to 90 hours to charge your car full. It's 110 120 volt. Second level is 220 to 40 volt and it takes only 9 hours to charge your car full. Level 3 is a DC fast charger. It's public and you can find stations all over United States. It charges your car for only 30 minutes up to 80%. Most of e-tron cars have two charging ports, one on the driver's side and second on the passenger side. Only one can be used at the moment. Both of them can be used for home charging for first and second level, but only one can be used for fast charging. Current charging level can be found on informational display. If you plan a long trip and you're afraid that you don't have enough EV range, no worries, your e-tron can include charging stations in the route. Another most received question about the maintenance. A lot of people ask me if e-tron need a service maintenance because it doesn't have engine. Right, the e-tron is fully electric car and it doesn't have a combustion engine, it doesn't need an oil change. However, it's recommended to bring your car to Audi service every 10,000 miles or one time a year, whichever comes first. Audi still has to do inspection, make sure that your car running well, to check your brakes, check your sunroof and lots of other stuff. You can find the full list of recommended maintenance in your owner manual. And your e-tron will always remind you for your next service.